In today's video we will have a look at Flatzoid again, and today he proves that he knows nothing about navigation. Oh dear, let's start this dumpster fire.
Okay, you guys ready to go in the comments?
Absolutely.
Okay, Reclusland, whatever this guy, that's like he's one of the hectic trolls on my channel. The first step of navigation is having a map.
He's correct about that.
So you can pinpoint your locations.
And once more, he's correct.
You do not know what size and shape the earth is, hence you have no map to represent it. Talking about navigation without a map is futile. No, the first thing you need is a sextant when you're doing celestial navigation, not a map.
Oh dear, how stupid can a human being be?
A map makes it easier, but I can navigate here in the bush without having a map, because I know my north from east to south to west. You just need to know to go a certain direction by following the stars, the sun or the moon. You don't need a map to know how to travel. Maps just make it easier.
When you're out in the bush, I would recommend you to have one of those. A compass, not a sextant. Let me explain the problem. First of all, a sextant is used to determine your position. Yes, you can determine which way you have to go, which direction with the sextant, but when you start moving, how do you check your direction using a sextant? You are using a compass instead. Next problem, you need to see the sun, the moon or the stars to use the sextant. So if it's clouded out there in the bush, what do you do then? To use the sextant you must have this book and a very precise clock. So I don't think you would take this out in the bush. Most important thing when navigating at sea is a chart. The next important thing is the compass. Sextant is not the most important thing when you're out at sea, and it have never been, because without a chart or a map you will not find your way. I have asked Flatzoid several times how you use the sextant in navigation, and he have never replied, but by listening to him in this video it's clear to me that he don't understand how you use a sextant in navigation. Here we have a chart over the southern parts of Atlantic Ocean, and let's say that we are sailing from Senegal to Florida. I look at the weather and so on, and then I plan my route on the chart. I start my journey, and here my most important instrument is the compass. So I have the heading from the compass, but at the same time I have to calculate for currents and the winds and so on, so I know if I'm drifting away. So using that information and my speed, I plot my calculated position several times a day. But how do I verify it that I have calculated correctly? It's time to use the magical instrument that flat earthers love but don't understand at all, the sextant. To use it you need the astronomical almanac with calculations that are based on a globe, you need a precise clock, and to use it in navigation you need a working correct chart or map, and you need a compass.
But I mean, think about it. You can drop someone off in the bush even. They don't know where they are. If you just know how to navigate using the luminaries, you don't need a map to get out of the bush.
So send somebody out in the bush with the sextant, is astronomical almanac and a clock, and they will survive. Oh, so stupid. If it's clouded, how do they do then? And if they don't know where they are, how should they know which way they should go? We should place Flatzoid in a sailboat in the middle of the ocean with only a sextant to use for navigation. Would he be capable of finding land? I don't think so.
But yeah, it's crazy. No, the maps just make it easier. And the thing that these guys ignore as well, the maps you use in celestial navigation is sectional maps, as I've been putting. Okay? It's sections from a map that you can put together. It's not a globe. You don't run around with a globe sphere in your hand. It's flat maps.
They are projections of a globe. Yes, they are printed on flat paper. But why can't any flat earther show us a working flat earth map? The answer is simple, because we don't live on a flat earth. It's obvious that Flatzoid lack all education, knowledge and experience about everything regarding navigation. He thinks he's an expert, but in reality he knows nothing. He proved him himself in this video. So Flatzoid loves debates. Therefore I will give him the chance to debate a professional navigator who navigates in work and know how to navigate using sextants too. This part of the video is addressed directly to Flatzoid. I have some demands to do a debate with you. The first one, I will not attend your lives with your panel. I want a neutral channel. I want that we agree upon a moderator that we trust, both of us. The main topic is navigation, and in that debate I want to debate astronomical navigation, charts, compasses, radar, and satellite-based systems like ISS, GPS. And I will also debate how you practically navigate using those instruments and aids. I have no interest in discussing your fantasies regarding navigation. All things you're planning to present in this debate, I want that you show me your sources before. And of course, I will give you all my sources before the debate. I will not accept nonsense like that the burden of proof is on me because I claim that navigation proves a globe. I will not discuss gravity with you. I will not discuss if the Bible proves some things like it's a scientific book or other things. I will not discuss gas pressure without a container and so on. The focus will be only on navigation. Now you had a chance to silence me, Flatzoid. I have worked in the Navy since late 80s. I'm trained in navigation. I have used all those instruments professionally. So, if you accept my challenge, contact me on Discord. And one more thing. If I don't accept the material you sent me as proof. I will make a video where I explain why I don't accept it. It have to be credible sources, not flat earth channels like Nathan Oakley, Brian's Logic and so on. It must be verifiable information. Hope you liked the video. If you did, please hit like, subscribe or become a member. I will be back soon. Have a nice day. Bye.